Okay. Gandang gabi.
Bayan.
Anyways, let's start on reflecting for the course of differential equations. We will talk about the hardships, the process of how we learn differential equations, and how we study by ourselves. As the host,
Arvin,
naturally, I'm
Arvin, you share your thoughts.
Yama.
Share your
Share
thoughts,
your thoughts.
Arvin. Come on.
Our first guest for the podcast will be Arvin John Henry Hernandez, a good
Yo.
fellow.
Is ang the course kind of
As you can see, we definitely enjoyed the differential equation since everyone's laughing. It did not make us crazy.
Alright, we'll get back to Arvin. How about Jovo? Can you
And
maybe share something?
yes, talk about the differential equations. Did you enjoy the subject, broski? Please talk.
For me, differential equations was a love and hate relationship since there was hardships, uh, learning different steps and new lessons. But it strengthened my problem solving skills and my knowledge about differential equations.
Yeah,
Alright,
thank you
thank
for
you.
sharing. How about you, William? What would you like to share
Okay.
about the course of differential equations?
Um, at first, for me, I really underestimated the subject because, for me, sabi ko nga parang, sige, ano lang, try ko lang, ganun, ganun. But when I experienced the teachings of Sir Magkuyaw and the lessons itself, the methods on how to solve how to learn the differential equations, I realized that it's not that easy because mm, I often struggle with various of the methods that Sir Magkuyaw taught us. Um, Often spending hours on problems without progress, which eventually made me doubt. But as makuwan tayo, instead of giving up, try pa rin na try, di ba? Kaya kahit ganun, go with the flow lang. Na-enjoy ka naman, lalo na tayo sa group natin. So, yeah,
Hmm,
okay lang.
Masaya nga yung group eh.
Yun. Oo
Pero
nga.
normal lang yun. Mahirap talaga di. Tanggap ng lahat yun, mahirap di. Lalo na pag nahirapan tayo sa algebra. How about you, Adelino, bro? How's your experience? Especially your NIS. Must be hard.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tell us
as
some of your
far,
experiences.
I think I had a good experience with differential equation. Yeah, I envisioned it as a very hard subject when I started, but as I studied like hours before the exam, I noticed that it's pretty doable. Yeah, if you have a good math or algebra background, you can do it. But it's also stressful because you have to practice. It takes a lot of time to familiarize yourself with the formulas and the speed. I mean, it's a lot of equations that you have to solve in less than 2 hours. And yeah, for a fact, I believe most of the students they end up failing because of the factor time. It's not enough. But overall, I had a good experience, and actually had a bad experience while doing the video because I discovered that wow, I actually I like filming. I have a talent for filming. Okay, not filming myself, like other people and stuff. And I even
Really?
bought a trip. I bought a tripod. I don't know if you guys can see. Like it just
Hey,
came today. Yeah,
nice.
I'm thinking of starting just like recording the sun, the streets, people and stuff. Yeah, I think yeah because of what we did the assignment, yeah, it just kicked on me a new hobby, and yeah, I like it. I'm thankful for it. Have a good race.
All right. That's
It's
good.
nice
That's
here.
good. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So
Say, magandang gabi.
we get back to Arvin.
Magandang gabi.
Bayan, sabi mo, Bayan. Arvin, you go.
on na.
Yeah.
Okay, so the course kind of reminded me of how the calculus to solve problems with integral, just memorizing different types of derivatives, integration, and identities. So I never had any problems with understanding the concept of problem solving in DE, which also helped us in demonstrate our learnings in our project, The Sweet Balance, by modeling the changing concentration of the London juice through a first ordered ordinary differential equation. So overall, di okay lang sa akin. Normal lang naman. Eh, all good. No problem.
Nice.
Magandang gabi.
Moving on.
Alright.
Ethan, handa ka na ba? You're
Yes.
next. Sabi mo rin, magandang gabi. Yeah,
Magandang
Parang reporter.
gabi.
Parang reporter sa Rappler eh. Go, Ethan.
For the D course, I had problems with it at first kasi ang haba ng mga solutions. Pero it helped me solve faster. So throughout the course outcomes, it got less and less difficult. Pero it was the only difficult part was remembering like the Laplace transforms, the formulas, the rules when doing things. Yun lang. Bye.
So, nag-iisang rosas natin.
Panis.
Maybe share your thoughts.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Antea, and I'm also part of the group. As for, as for me, I never thought this group would work out, and I couldn't imagine what our output would look like, because I don't know how I'm gonna approach them since they don't look approachable.
Parang nasa fire exit ka. Parang nasa fire exit ka.
Yeah, I'm outside the coffee shop because they are so noisy.
Yun.
Going back to my reflection, I learned so much, not just from the topics, application of differential equation, but also other aspects, other skills like directing a skit and making what? Why do you make a face, Henry? What's that
Ah?
face?
Ha? Sorry, Chappy.
Kasi pag sabi niyang directing, nag-direct ba yun?
Ikaw
No, please
nagkaroon?
continue. Continue, please. Nakikinig kami.
Kidding aside, I really had fun working with them. And I think it's effective. The idea of this final project is effective, the real life application, because we were able to really understand how differential equation work outside the school. Yes. And that's all.
Right?
Yeah.
So,
We have a
Miss
consensus na
Henry.
masaya tayo sa ating group. So to finish
Gusto
our
parang
short
gusto ko
reflection,
naman,
or short
parang-
podcast natin, I'm
parang
asking all of
may,
you.
ano,
May ano, pre? Yeah, please
parang
continue.
may about kay Sir na what do you think sa, sa teachings ni Sir, sa method niya? Kasi for me, ang bilis talaga ni Sir. For me lang kasi hindi naman talaga ako magaling dun sa mga integral na yan. Pero, si Sir, okay talaga siya. Wala siyang problema. Doon lang, sa akin lang to, parang ang bilis niya lang for me. Kasi di naman ganun kaano yung katalino
Mabilis
yung
naman talaga si sir. Especially limitado yung oras natin. And maraming
Diba?
topics na
Parang
kina-cover.
yung DE, isang oras lang pero nagagamit siya sa lahat, na-apply siya sa lahat ng ibang subjects natin.
True. Ang medyo mahirap
Yeah.
na lang talaga
Okay.
pag blocking tayo sa algebra natin. Doon din ako nahihirapan eh.
But overall, kasi pa-end naman din na yung term. Okay naman, so far.
So far, masaya.
Sana matapos to ni Sir sa end talaga para, Sir,
Sana nga naman. May final exam pa tayo eh. Sana magawa natin ng ayos yun.
Thank you for the collaboration. Na-enjoy ko. Sana kayo rin.
Same.
Yeah.
Anyways, we have less than 1 minute to finish this podcast. So better say your
Thank you.
final advice. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
See you again.
Bye-bye.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.